In this video game, you have 20 minutes to get 8 lives. The atmosphere is filling with CO2. Every time you choose renewable energy, you will gain a life. But if you collect more CO2, you will lose one.
This will not be your last challenge before you can save the earth. You must collect everything you need in a labyrinth to be able to take care of it. You cannot forget anything, everything is necessary. Otherwise, you will be trapped in a labyrinth, returning to the door of it again and again. If you finally have everything, it will be time to cross the exit and you will be ready to live on the planet Earth, which you have saved.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
If you don't get lives, either because you fill up with CO2 or because you run out of time, the entire Earth will be lost. Go ahead, you're a winner, the Earth trusts you.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I